I have nothing to do, so here's a prank. So, you have to have sticky dynamite, and you don't have to use this bag, but I like to use this bag. Not because it's like the smallest one, but it's also not the biggest one. So, all you have to do is just get some sticky dynamite, and you ignite it, throw it in the bag. And then just do that. Make sure they're ignited too, or else it's not. Do that, and then just go into a public server.
I'm about to go.
I'm about to play Squid Game City Town.
Bro,
Kill him.
I bought the golden egg, but where's my freaking golden egg? How do I get it?
There you go. Bye bye.
Okay, friendly. Oh my god.
Go to
explosion
section.
Alright, friendly.
Alright.